Do you like stories? Once upon a time.
Who is that?
Relax, relax.
That is what I was doing, Sabji.
This is not relaxing. This is sleeping.
Yes, Sabji. Sorry, Sabji.
Be careful.
Okay, Sabji.
This man is crazy. How do I deal with this man? Mad fellow. Always sleeping. Coffee, please.
This is not some hotel where you order for some coffee and it appears in front of you. It'll take some time.
You know, in our culture, Pati is called Parameshwar. Param Ishwar.
Oh, really?
Yes, I read it somewhere.
And may I know what Patni may be called?
Wife.
Wife? Wife is called wife, then husband is also called husband. Not Parameshwar and all.
Okay, whatever you say. What are you cooking?
I'm making prasadam for the Parameshwar. Oh, sorry, for the husband. What happened?
How do you find this guy?
Useless, I tell you. Horrible. How many times have I asked you to throw him out?
Anyways, check this forwarded message.
What is this about?
See na?
This now famous self-made Nepali, once a simple middle-class man, one of the richest men in Nepal, Sushil Khadka, passing away a week back, with no one to call family, leaves behind all his property and money to his only nephew Sanjeev Khadka. Where is this young man? What does he do? Why hasn't he claimed his 300 crores inheritance? All these questions lie unanswered. Let us help him, so help us find him.
Nonsense.
Interesting, na?
Yeah.
Even now we have these kind of... Listen. Come here. We are fed up with you and your nonsense. You're fired. Pack your bags and leave.
What, Sabji? But how can you do this to me, Sabji?
I'll tell you how. Let me get your documents.
Sabji, please don't do this to me, Sabji. I will do my best. Don't do this to me. Don't throw me out, Sabji. You are like my father. Please don't throw me out.
What's your name?
Sanjeev. You don't know my name, Sabji?
Full name.
Sanjeev Khadka, Sabji.
And what is your father's name?
NB Khadka, Sabji. But don't throw me out, Sabji.
You have any uncle?
Yeah, one uncle. But West, good for nothing.
What's his name?
सुधीर खड़का साहब जी.
What?
सुधीर खड़का.
Sir, why are you sitting here? Go sit on the sofa, sir.
No, साहब जी. I'm okay, but don't throw me away.
No. Please,
Sabji, I'm
please
okay,
sit there.
Sabji. I'm
Gayatri,
okay,
get some
Sabji.
coffee for sir. Sir, please sit there.
What is happening?
Come.
Huh? What?
I'll tell you. Come in.
What happened?
This guy is a millionaire.
Who?
This.
Huh? The security?
He is Sanjeev Khadka.
Huh?
You remember that message? Sudhir Khadka has written all his property in his nephew's name.
The 300 crores.
Yes.
Nepal government.
Yes. Now, if we tell him directly that he is a millionaire, he has 300 crores, anything can happen to him.
Yeah.
So, we have to tell him indirectly.
Yeah, point.
Listen. Suppose if you get a lottery of 300 crores, what will you do?
I think they're testing my loyalty. I will definitely give you half of it, Sabji. You are like my parents, Sabji. You are like my father, Sabji. Sabji, what happened, Sabji?
Krishna?
Sabji,
Krishna?
I'll give you full money. गए क्या?
Krishna?
Sabji.
Do you know who you are? You are a millionaire.
Sabji, you never paid me more than 5,000 rupees. Are you making fun of me, Sabji?
Are, do you know your good for nothing uncle? He was a millionaire. And he didn't have a family, you know that. Now, after his death, he has left all his property in his nephew's name. That is you, Sanjeev Khadka.
Security? Sorry, Sanjeev ji. Hey.
Sanjeev ji?
Sanjeev ji, are you okay?
Yes, I am that.
We, the individual, steeped in ignorance, avidya, are just like Sanjeev Khadkas, buffeted by storms of passion and desires, utterly exhausted, physically wrecked, and emotionally spent. We come to a spiritual master who is an ocean of compassion, just as Krishnan told Sanjeev Khadka, who is a nephew of a millionaire Sudhir Khadka, that he too is a millionaire now. The spiritual teacher too tells us that we are the supreme. He tells us that thou art. Though we hear that we are the supreme, we do not immediately become that. What we have heard objectively must become a subjective experience. By contemplating upon the words of the Master, then we too can experience that thou art.